you guys, it's your girl Acosta here. Welcome to my channel, Lady Gaston Plans. Here on this channel, we do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. If that's something that you're interested in, hopefully you will stick around to the end of this video and you will subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, in today's video, I am opening up some Happy Mail that I received. Now, this has been sitting on my desk for almost 2 weeks now. And I am just getting an opportunity to open it up as well as showcase it to you guys. So this is a package that I ordered from HSN. And this is the Paperhouse Black History Collection. Yes, I know Black History Month is officially over, but in my life, Black History never is over. So if you would like to see what is in this box that I received, stay tuned to this video. All right, you guys, I am back. So I'm going to go on and open up this box. We are going to open this up. So this says the fun has just arrived by Paperhouse. Thank you for your order, and they gave me a code to use on my next order, so I probably will use that. All right, so that's all for this. So I will move that over to that back area. All right, so this is the package that it came in, and I am excited. I watched Felicia, who is the owner of Gold Mine and Cocoa, when she was on HSN a couple of weeks ago, and I got tempted, so your girl placed this order. I mean, hey, I'm just saying. So it did not take long for me to receive this package after ordering. So kudos to them in the fast turnaround time frame of mailing out the orders. So as you see, it's quite a bit here. So I'm going to slide this over and pretty much go almost piece by piece. But I will say, this is the Black History Month craft kit by Paperhouse. And I do remember when Paperhouse was in Michael's, and if I'm not mistaken, they may still be there. I'm not sure, but when they were in Michael's, it was a collaboration with some creators, along with Felicia, who is the founder of Gold Mine and Cocoa. So let's get into this Happy Mail. This one says, but coffee first. I like her. This is a die cut, but I think she's also a sticker. All right, y'all know I am very sensitive about my nails. So I'm going to see. Yeah, this is also a sticker. So this is very, very cute. Like real cute. I like this a whole lot. Okay, but coffee first. So yeah, that's cute. This one says Juneteenth 1865. So I can use this in June when that day comes. All right, this is an enamel pen that says Melanin Poppin'. Very cute. This was created by Zalonda Lewis, who is Indie Ivy Ink on Instagram. I like this. I've never heard of her, so I'm gonna have to check her out. But yeah, I like that. And I think Enamel Pen Day is coming up this Friday, which will be March the 4th. So I never heard of that, but I saw somebody else post about it, and I was like, oh, that'll be neat. So all right, without all of us, there is none of us, which is so true. I like that. All right, here is a packet of die cuts. This is by Wire and Honey. I'm going to check her out as well on Instagram. And this is where this sticker came from. Wire and Honey in the collection that says without all of us there is none of us. So very quickly I am going to, and it looks like it's duplicates of some of them, so I don't have to pull all of them out, but I did. So out of many, one. And here's some more of the without all of us there is none of us. And there's one that says speak out. Proud to be different, sensitive, creative, empathetic, brave, and kind. I like that. That's cute. More cats, less cat calling. I am personally not a cat fan, so I probably will be giving it to somebody. The future is inclusive. Okay. This one says raise hell and change the world. Hello. I like that. Stand for equality. Yeah. Stand up. Smash the patriarchy. Say that right. Educating is activism. That is correct. Here's some more speak out stickers. Smash the patriarchy. And keep it cool. That's what that one says. Alright, this is a sticker book. This is by Indy and Ivy _Ink. And I hope I'm saying that correctly. So I'm gonna move this to the side and do a very quick flip through of this sticker book. This comes with 342 pieces. It says darling, just own it, and this is part of the This Is Us sticker book collection. All right. All right, that is that sticker book. My favorite, well, one of my favorite stickers in here is turn your hobby into a career. Stop procrastinating. And I absolutely love these day headers in here, especially that one. That's very, very cute. I like that a whole lot. Yes, I love these months that's in this gold foil. So yes, yes to that. All right, this is 24 pieces of 6x6 paper pack, and you can see the prints that are in this packet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm gonna figure something out. Yes, yeah, I like that one that has that butterfly on it. So that's that. And we have two sets of, well, a set of two notebooks. It's 5x7 inches, 60 pages in each. One is lined and one is dot grid. So, oh, that's nice. That's pretty. I wonder what that says on there without me tearing it. But yeah, that's pretty. So there's that saying, without all of us, there is none of us. And the, I call it Black Power Fist. That is on the back of this. This is from Wire and Honey. All right, and here are the stickers. This sticker did come from Gold Mine and Coco, by the way. That was the first one that I showed. And here is a 22 piece sticker sheet that has these stickers on it by Gold Mine and Cocoa. That says dream bigger, stay strong, be stranger than your, be stronger than your excuses. I am unstoppable, never give up. And then you have the same ones on the back. And this gold foil, y'all, is just absolutely pretty on these stickers. Let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can, I hope you can see this foil that's on these stickers. So very, very pretty. All right, you guys, this is all for this particular video. I just wanted to share with you the goodies that I received from the Black History Month collection from HSN with the This Is Us collaboration project. And I absolutely love all of the items that I received in this package. Now, I did have to pay for this for my own money, so don't just think HSN sent this to me. No, I ain't got that yet with them, but it's on the way. So thank you guys so very much for watching this video. Hopefully something said and or done in this video will lead you to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that little bell notification right next to it so you will not miss any uploads or any new videos. Again, you guys, thank you so very much. And also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down there in the comment section. Let me know if you saw this particular collection, and if you have it in your collection at home, or if you thought about getting it and wasn't sure, you just want to see somebody do an unboxing of the items to help you make your decision, or if you just don't want to get it but it's still cute. Let me know down there in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. All right, you guys, that's all for this particular video. I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye for now.